Good afternoon, students. Welcome back once again to the mathematics class. In today's lecture, we are going to solve some problems based on trigonometric ratios of multiple and submultiple angles. Right? In the yesterday's class, we have solved trigonometric ratios of multiple as well as submultiple angles. So today we solve the problems based on those multiple as well as submultiple angles. Let us consider the first example on multiple and submultiple angle. First example is prove that cos to the power of 4 theta minus sin to the power of 4 theta, which is equals to cos 2 theta. Here it has been given cos to the power of 4 theta minus sin to the power of 4 theta, which is equals to cos theta. We have to prove, right? Let us consider first solution. Let us consider LHS here. Cos to the power of 4 theta minus sin to the power of 4 theta, which is equals to cos to the power of 4 theta can be written as cos square theta its square minus sin square theta its square. Can we write like this? Cos square theta its power 2, sin square theta its power 2. Again multiply 2 into 2 is 4. Again 2 into 2 is what? 4 only. Now which is in the form of which is in the form of a square minus of b square. Here a square minus b square formula is a plus b into a minus b. Similarly, we also expand this in the form of a plus b and a minus b. A plus b means cos square theta plus sin square theta into cos square theta plus sin square theta into cos square theta minus sin square of theta, right? Already we know sin square theta plus cos square theta value is what? 1, and cos square theta minus sin square theta value is what? Cos 2 theta. Already we have solved this example in yesterday's class. Cos 2 theta, which is equals to the formula is cos square theta minus sin square theta. Therefore cos 2 theta into 1 is cos 2 theta. Therefore LHS, which is equals to RHS. Just by using multiple and submultiple angle formulas, we are solving the example, right? Just we have converted cos to the power of 4 minus sin to the power of 4 theta in terms of a square minus b square, and again a plus b, a minus b. A plus b is nothing but cos square theta plus sin square theta value is 1, and cos square theta minus sin square theta value is directly cos 2 theta. Therefore cos 2 theta into 1 is cos 2 theta. Therefore LHS equals to what? RHS. Next example. Show that first one, sin x upon 1 plus cos x which is equals to tan x by 2, and second b, under root of 1 plus cos 2x 1 plus is 1 minus cos 2x, which is equals to cot x, which is equals to cot x. Here they are asking show that sin x upon 1 plus cos x equals to tan x by 2, and the second example in that a and b, two examples are there, and the second example b is under root of 1 plus cos x upon 1 minus cos 2x, which is equals to cot 2x. Now first let us consider first one, a solution. First consider a, that is sin x LHS sin x upon 1 plus cos x. Now submultiple of sin x, submultiple angle of sin x can be written as 2 sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2 divided by 1 plus cos x can be written as, yes, 1 plus cos x can be written as 2 cos square x by 2. Here 2 get cancelled, numerator 1 cos x and denominator 1 cos x by 2 get cancelled. That remaining write down sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2, which is equals to directly sin by cos is tan x by 2. Therefore LHS equals to RHS. Next, second one. Again consider LHS here. 1 plus cos 2x upon 1 minus cos 2x under root as it is. 1 plus cos 2x can be written as, yes, 1 plus cos 2x can be written as, direct formula is there. Yesterday we have solved this one. 2 cos square x. Similarly 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x, right, under root. Now here 2 get cancelled, remaining write down as it is. Again square root get cancelled. Cos x upon sin x, which is equals to cot x. Therefore LHS equals to what? RHS. क्या करें यहाँ पे? Just we have substituted the formula. 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x. Here 2 get cancelled in the root and square root also get cancelled from numerator as well as denominator. So the remaining values cos x divided by sin x. Therefore cos by sin ratio is cot x. Therefore LHS equals to RHS. Got it? Write down. Next example. Next example is prove that 2 sin A minus sin 2A divided by 2 sin A plus sin 2A which is equals to tan square A by 2, which is equals to tan square A by 2. The question is prove that 2 sin A minus sin 2A divided by 2 sin A plus of sin 2A, which is equals to tan square of A by 2. We have to prove here. Again let us consider here LHS solution part. LHS which is equals to 2 sin A minus sin 2A upon 2 sin A plus of sin 2A, which is equals to 2 sin A as it is minus sin 2A can be written as, already we know the formula, sin 2 theta can be written as 2 sin theta into cos theta, that is 2 sin A into cos A. Similarly in the denominator also 2 sin A as it is plus of sin 2A can be written as 2 sin A into cos A, right? Now 2 sin A is common in the numerator and 2 sin A is common in the denominator also. To take common outside 2 sin A, inside what we get? 1 minus cos A upon, again 2 sin A common outside, 1 plus of cos A. Therefore 1 minus cos A upon 1 plus cos A. Now 1 plus cos A can be written as 2 sin square A by 2. submultiple angle. 1 plus cos A, 2 cos square A by 2. 2 get cancelled. Sin square A by 2 upon cos square A by 2 is tan square A by 2. Therefore, LHS equals to RHS. Just we have substituted here sin 2 theta value, that is 2 sin A into cos A, and similarly by taking common 2 sin A in the numerator as well as in the denominator, the remaining term 1 minus cos A upon 1 plus cos A. 1 minus cos A can be written as 2 sin square A by 2, that is submultiple angle, and 1 plus cos A can be written as 2 cos square of A by 2. Now 2 get cancelled from numerator as well as denominator. Sin square by cos square A by 2, that is sin by cos ratio is nothing but tan square A by 2, therefore LHS equals to RHS, right? The next example, example number 4. Show that show that 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by sin 2 theta, which is equals to tan theta, right? And hence find the value of, and hence find the values of first one tan 15 degree and second one tan 75 degree, right? Here the question is, show that 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by sin 2 theta, which is equals to tan theta, and hence also find the values of tan 15 degree as well as tan 75 degree, right? Solution. One minus cos 2 theta divided by sin 2 theta. Here also again consider LHS. 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by sin 2 theta. Now 1 minus cos 2 theta can be written as, yes, 2 sin square theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta can be written as 2 cos square theta, that is multiple angle, right? Again sin 2 theta can be written as 2 sin theta into cos theta. Here 2 get cancelled, 1 sin get cancelled, the remaining is sin theta upon cos theta, which is equals to tan theta. Take it as equation 1, right? Hence we have proved LHS equals to RHS, right? LHS equals to RHS. Now 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by sin 2 theta equals to tan theta. Take it as equation 1. To solve the remaining example, that is first example, or let us consider, put theta equals to 15 degree in equation 1. Put theta equals to 15 degree in equation 1. What we get? Let's see. First one, tan 15 degree, which is equals to 1 minus cos 2 into theta is 15 degree. 2 into 15 is cos 30 degree divided by sin 30 degree. 1 minus cos 30 degree value is root, yes, root 3 by 2 divided by sin 30 degree is, yes, 1 by 2. Now cross multiply here. 2 minus root 3 upon 2 upon 1 by 2. Here 2 get cancelled. 2 minus root 3 is the required answer. Similarly, second one, tan 75 degree. 1 minus of 2 into 75 is cos 150 degree divided by sine 150 degree. Now cos 150, it is not a standard angle, just we have to convert it in the form of 1 minus cos of 180 minus 30 divided by sine 180 minus 30 degree. We know the value 1 minus cos 180 minus theta, which lies in second quadrant. 180 minus theta means sine and cosec are positive in the second quadrant, whereas cos is negative, therefore minus minus plus cos theta. Here 180 and 360, sine to sine, it does not change us here, right? It is cos 30 degree divided by sine 180 minus theta. It is also in the second quadrant, but sine is positive in second quadrant, therefore sine 30 degree. Now substitute the values here. 1 plus cos 30 degree, value of cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. Now cross multiply, what we get? 2 plus root 3 upon 2 divided by 1 by 2. 2 get cancelled. 2 plus of root 3 is the required answer. Let's see once again, I will explain. Let us consider first LHS equals to 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by sin 2 theta. Now 1 minus cos 2 theta can be written as 2 sin square theta, and sin 2 theta is nothing but 2 sin theta by cos. These are the standard formulas, already we have solved in yesterday's class, right? Directly we are substituting 1 minus cos theta value is 2 sin square theta, and sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta into cos theta. 2 get cancelled. Again sin square is there, denominator also sin is there, sin here also 1 sin get cancelled, remaining sin theta by cos theta, which is nothing but tan theta. Therefore LHS equals to RHS. Let us consider it as equation 1. Further, to solve first bit and second bit, the first bit, that is tan 15 degree is there. Now just substitute theta equals to 15 degree in equation 1. Therefore equation 1 is 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by sin 2 theta, which is equals to tan 2 theta, right? Now 1 minus cos of 2 into 15 degree, theta means 15 degree is there. 1 minus cos 2 into 15 is, I am directly writing 30 degree, divided by sin 15 into 2 is 30 degree. Therefore 1 minus cos 30 degree, already we know cos 30 degree is what? Yes, cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Again sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. Now in the numerator cross multiply, 2 ones are 2, 2 minus root 3 upon by 2, and in the denominator 1 by 2 as it is. 2 get cancelled from the denominator, from numerator as well as denominator. Now remaining 2 minus root 3 is the required answer here. Tan 15 degrees 2 minus root 3. Similarly tan 75 degree, again let us consider, substitute theta equals to 75 degree in equation 1. 1 minus cos of 2 into 75 is 150, therefore directly I can write 1 minus cos 150 degree divided by sin 150 degree. Now it is not in the standard form now 150 degree, right? We have to convert it in the standard form, which can 150 can be written as 1 minus cos of 180 minus 30, again which is equals to cos 150, right? Similarly sin 180 minus 30, which is also 180 minus 30. Therefore cos 180 minus 31 as it is, minus also as it is, cos 180 minus theta, cos 180 minus theta, which lies in second quadrant. In the second quadrant cos is negative, right? Therefore minus minus, already minus is there, minus minus plus, and cos 180 minus theta is what? Minus cos theta, therefore minus minus plus, cos theta means theta is here 30 degree, therefore cos 30 degree. Similarly sin 180 minus theta, sin is positive in the second quadrant, right? Therefore sin 180 minus theta is sin theta, that is sin 30 degree. Now 1 plus cos 30 degree, which is equals to root 3 by 2, and in the denominator sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. Now cross multiply in the numerator, 2 plus root 3 divided by 2 whole divided by 1 by 2. From the numerator 2 get cancelled, the denominator also 2 get cancelled. The remaining is 2 plus root 3 is the required value of the function tan 75 degree, right? Next, I will give some examples as a homework to solve at home. Right? One or two example I will give. We'll solve one more example. Later on I will give examples to you to solve at home. Example number 5. If sin theta equals to 3 by 5, if sin theta equals to 3 by 5 and theta is acute angle, find the value of values of sin 2 theta and cos 2 theta. Find the value of sin 2 theta and cos 2 theta. Again, by using here multiple and submultiple angle, we have to solve the example, right? It has been given sin theta equals to 3 by 5 and theta is acute angle. Acute angle means which is less than 90 degree, and we have to find sin 2 theta and cos 2 theta, right? Let us consider here also solution. Sin theta equals to 3 by 5, right? Again, cos theta can be written as, therefore cos theta equals to under root of 1 minus sin square theta. Already you know the formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is equals to 1. By simplifying, what we get, cos theta equals to under root of 1 minus sin square theta. Therefore 1 minus of 3 by 5 means 9 by 25. Now cross multiply, what we get inside, 25 minus 9 by 25. Therefore 25, 16 by 25 is 4 by 5 is nothing but cos theta, right? 4 by 5 is cos theta. We have sin theta and cos theta now. Just we have to substitute the values in sin 2 theta formula. First one, first consider sin 2 theta. We know the formula, sin 2 theta into cos theta. That is nothing but 2 sin theta into cos theta, right? Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta into cos theta. Now substitute 2 as it is. Sin theta is 3 by 5 into cos theta is 4 by 5. Now simplify this. What we get here? Yes. After simplifying, what we get here? 3 4s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 by 25. If somewhere reduces, you can reduce by cancelling the values. There is no reduction here. Even number in the denominator, odd number is there, right? 24 by 25 is the required answer for sin 2 theta. And for cos 2 theta, cos 2 theta can be written as, we have three formulas for cos 2 theta. Here we have sin value and cos value, both value we have. You can take any formula, right? Sin cos square theta minus sin square theta formula is there, and 2 cos square theta minus 1 is there, and 1 minus 2 sin square theta is also there, right? You can consider any one. Here I am considering 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Therefore 1 minus 2 as it is sin square theta means 3 by 5 is there, 9 by 25. Therefore 1 minus 18 by 25. Therefore 25 18 by 25, which is equals to 7 by 25. Therefore cos 2 theta equals to 7 by 25, and similarly sin 2 theta equals to 24 by 25. Just what we have did here, sin theta equals to 3 by 5. It has been given in the question itself. Just we have find cos theta. by using the formula under root of 1 minus sine square theta, we get cos theta value is 4 by 5. Already we have 3 by cosine theta is 3 by 5 and cos theta is 4 by 5. We have sine and cos. Directly you can find sine 2 theta as well as cos 2 theta. Sine 2 theta equals to 2 sine theta into cos theta. 2 as it is, sine value is 3 by 5 and cos value is 4 by 5. Now multiply here numerator, 2 3 is a 6, 6 4 is 24 upon 5 is a 25. Therefore sine 2 theta equals to 24 by 25 and cos 2 theta which is equals to, again cos 2 theta which have 3 formulas. We can take anyone. I have taken here 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Therefore 1 minus 2 sine square theta means sine value is 3 by 5. Therefore 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25. Therefore 9 by 25. Again 2 9s are 18. 1 minus 18 by 25. Now cross multiply. 25 minus 18 upon 25. Therefore 25 minus 18 is 7 upon 27. Hence it is the required answer for cos 2 theta. Right. Now I will give an example as a homework. You can solve at home. If tan alpha equals to if tan alpha equals to 1 by 3 and tan beta equals to 1 by 7, then prove that 2 alpha plus beta equals to pi by 4. Again here also by using tan formula, multiple or submultiple angle, you can use any formula here. Just we have to prove 2 alpha plus of beta which is equals to what? Which is equals to pi by 4. Right? This much is in this lecture. Next we will see some other transformations formula in the next class. Till then, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.